We are the reporter of addressing the product launch of Habibi Skin Essential. And I am the first reporter. My name is Lemuel Neri. Introduction. The Habibi Babad Soap launch serves as a valuable learning experience for Habibi Skin Essential. To address this failure and ensure future success, the company needs to implement a comprehensive strategy that takes the root causes of the problem. So, para ma-success ang among product, so kailangan mag-implement og gwapo nga strategy ang company para ma-solve ang problem. And the next reporter is Baby Angela Soriano.
Baby Angela Soriano, and I am the second reporter. And there are 5 stages of plan development. And my report is stage 1, including rebuilding brand image, increasing market share, and improving customer satisfaction. First, rebuilding brand image. Habibi Babad Soap must win back the confidence of customers and repair its reputation. To do this, it is necessary to deal with the problems that caused the launch to fail, communicate effectively with clients, and show sincere dedication to offering top-notch goods and services. And with that, we can build new brand image. So, sa Habibi Babad Soap, kailangan nila makuha ang pagsalig usab sa mga customer. Aron mabuhat need nila tubangon ang mga problema nga maoy hinungdan nganong na-fail ang pag-launch sa Habibi. For example, ang Habibi naghimo og bag-o nga linya sa ilang sabon like makaputi og taman, maka-moisture sa panit, pero ang quality dili maayo o daghan ang nagreklamo. Aron maayo ang ilang image, kailangan nila tubangon ang mga problema sa quality, ilisan ang mga sabon ug kailangan nga makig-communicate kag tarong sa mga customer og pagpakita og tinuod nga dedikasyon sa pag-provide og mga high quality na sabon. Ipakita na seryoso ka sa ila sa paghatag og maayo nga produkto og serbisyo. This will help them to regain customer trust. Second is increasing market share. Habibi Babad Soap's field launch likely caused a drop in their customer base, resulting in a smaller share of the market. To recover, they need to attract new customers while keeping the ones they already have. This means creating smart marketing plans, coming up with new and exciting products, and offering prices that are competitive with other brands. So, ang Habibi Babad Soap wala kaayo nagmalampuson sa pagpagawa sa maong brand. Dagan ilang mga customer nga nawala. Aron maulian, they need to attract new customers. Maghimo sila plano nga mainganya sa mga tao like for example, maghimo sila mga advertise sa TV or social media. Maghimo sila bagong klase nga sabon nga mas maayo ug baho o mas epektibo. Pag-ingana, daghan mahimong suki ug mas ma-popular sila sa merkado. Sa dira, kanang mga strategy ilang gihimo, mas ma-increase ang market share sa Habibi. And the third one is improving customer satisfaction. A failed launch is frequently a sign that there is a disconnect between the company's products and what customers are expecting. In order to enhance products quality, customer service, and entire experiment, Habibi Babad Soap must put the needs of its customers first by actively seeking feedbacks, responding to issues, and making adjustments. So, ang wala pagmalampuson sa pagpagawa sa Habibi Babad Soap, nagpasabot nga wala nila naabot ang mga gusto sa mga customers. Aron masolbad need nila hatagan og importansya sa Habibi Babad Soap ang mga panginahanglan sa mga customers. Dapat buhaton nila kay kanang maminaw sa feedback sa mga customers like pangatan-on nimo sila kung unsa ilang gusto o dili gusto sa product. Pag naay customer service staff nga dili kayo maayo sa pagtubag sa mga pangutana o reklamo, they need to train their staff on how to better handle customers' interaction because this will create a more positive experience for customers.
Stage 2. Identifying the current situation. Analyzing the failure. It is believed that a number of problems such as poor product development, insufficient marketing initiatives, and operational mismanagement contribute to Habibi Babad Soap damage. In the beauty market, where new fames have to content with intense competition, shifting consumer preference, and one show regularly requirements. These problems are not uncommon. Gituuhan nga daghang mga problema sama sa dili maayo nga pag-uswag sa produkto. Assessing resources. Habibi Babad Soap capacity to effectively distribute resources across product development, marketing, and regularly complaints would be critical to company's success. Any deficiency is these areas may lead to difficulties or even failure for the fame. Ang kapasidad sa Habibi Babad Soap nga epektibo nga pag-apod-apod sa mga kinahanglan sa tibuok nga pagpalaom sa produkto, pamilya, ug pagsunod sa regulasyon mahimong hinungdan sa kalampusan sa kumpanya. Defying case stockholder. The founders, inventors, clients, suppliers, retailers, workers, and regularly agencies reveal, influence, and proponents of sustainability are most Habibi Babad Soap. Principal stockholders. Every group has distinct interest and sway, so the branch capacity to attend to these stakeholders' requirements and warriors the crucial it's to success or failure.
I am Marina Shane and I am the fourth reporter. There are two types of factors, positive and negative factors. I'll be reporting the positive factors. Targeted benefits. The soap is designed to address specific skin problems like dark spots, acne scars, and body odor. Nowadays man good, skincare is very rampant. Kisa man good ang dili gusto mo gwapo or mugwapa. Maong we're looking a product na effective, so dapat ang product making it appealing to people for looking solutions. Natural ingredients. Habibi Skin Essentials or Habibi Babad Soap as the ingredients like glutathione, niacinamide, and goat's milk. Maka-attract mo po siya sa customers, labi na itong mas prefer ang mga natural and potentially gentler skincare. When it comes to using a skincare, kita another different perspective kung unsa ang gusto or dili gusto. Potential for effectiveness. The ingredients used in Habibi Babad Soap are known for their potential to brighten skin, improve texture, and provide moisturizing benefits. Diri na ilah ng Habibi Babad Soap because source of people using it already is nakita nila ang effective siya, but still the result can vary kay dili man parehas og skin type, so naay mga sensitive skin. Broad appeal. The Habibi soap is marketed towards a wide range individuals, including those with sensitive skin, pregnant women, and lactating mothers. So naadjud po dili sinaama po dili makanindot ani na product kay naaba bayay uban na sabon na dili pwede mo gamit ang buntis and napadili na mama.
My name is Lois Ann Melendres and I am the reporter of negative factors. So this is the negative factors. Not for everyone, expensive, potentially harsh ingredients, not a cure-all. So number 1, not for everyone. The soap might target a specific skin concern. It might not be suitable for all skin types. So, hiyang-hiyang ra jud kaayo ang paggamit sa sabon. Kay for example, ako makauyon ko ana nga sabon. So, naapod jud uban nga dili makauyon. Magdepende lang siya kung makauyon or mahiyang baka ana nga sabon or dili. Number 2 is expensive. Habibi soap often come with a higher price tag than regular soap. Habibi soap is quite expensive. So, maunang kita pag mopalit ta usahay, magduha-duha pa ta if effective ba siya nga sabon kay para pod worth it ato ang pagpalit og para pod dili masayang ato ang kwarta nga ipalit. And the number 3 is potentially harsh ingredients. Some ingredients used in Habibi soap, even if they have potential benefits, can be harsh on the skin. Kay bisan good kaayo iyahang mga benefits, still naa japon siya yung mga side effects sa ato ang skin. Example, ako sensitive kaayo kog skin, so bisan unsa ka good and benefits nga naa nga sabon, if sensitive kog skin, so naa japoy posibilidad nga dili ko makauyon or di ko mahiyang ana nga sabon. Kay kita man gyud ninyo is dili ta og skin type sa atuang panit. And number 4 is not a cure-all. Even if the soap work for some people, it's important to remember that it's not lifetime solution. It should be best to practice lifestyle factors like pag-diet and exercise. So, in addition, just always remember that individual resort can vary. Like sa kung giingon gaina, pwede ako makauyon and pwede pud sa uban is dili. So, it's always recommended na mag-consult sa doktor bago maggamit og any new skincare product, especially if you have a sensitive skin or skin concern.
My name is Brady Abrigana, and I'm the one to report developing new plans and actions. First, developing a recovery strategy. Goal: to restore customer confidence and rebuild brand reputation within a defined time frame. This involves communicating transparently, offering solutions, and building a positive brand image. Para mahimo ni kinahanglan nga mangita og paagi ang Habibi Skincare aron masulti sa mga customer ang tinuod nga nahitabo, maghatag og mga solusyon sa problema, ug magpakita nga seryoso sila sa pag-ayo sa brand. Kinahanglan nga maayo ang ilang imahe sa mga mata sa mga customer. Second, re-evaluating the product. Goal: to ensure the product meets customer needs and expectations. This involves gathering feedback from customers, competitors, and industry experts to identify product strengths and weaknesses and make necessary improvements. Kinahanglan nga mangutana ang Habibi Skincare sa mga customer sa ilang mga kakompetisyon o sa mga eksperto sa industriya aron mahibal-an nga ang mga maayong bahin ug ang mga sayop sa ilahang produkto. Unya kinahanglan nga mahimo og mga pagbago aron maayo ang produkto. Last, improving customer service. Goal: to provide exceptional customer service and create a positive customer experience. This involves training customer service staff, implementing efficient communication systems, and responding promptly to inquiries and complaints. Kinahanglan nga bansayon ang mga empleyado sa Habibi Skincare sa pag-atiman sa mga customer, maghimo og mga sistema sa komunikasyon aron dali ka sila makontak ug magtubag dayon sa mga pangutana ug mga reklamo.
Supporter of Stage 5 Re-evaluating Goals. Number 1. Monitoring progress. This means that as business owner, we need to know if our product is booming or losing. Example: check if there are many people buying the product. Check if the price of the product is affordable. Adapting to change. This means that as business owners, we need to be updated. We need to be alert and to be ready to the new trends and needs of the people. Example: change the color of the product and new flavor or design. In this way, the product will still be relevant and updated. Celebrating successes. Big or small business owners should be thankful for the result of their business. They need to be celebrate their hard work and dedication. Example: give bonuses to the staff. Conduct a victory party with the personnel. Do recreational activities. In this way, the staff and workers will not be drained. They will have rest and breaks from work.